2014-15 Super Deluxe Basketball Run Back for Big Bird. I guess Bert and Ernie were talking a little shit, so Big Bird says, let's get it. Roofie Cocktail. Again, I don't win anything. Ooh, nice paint job. Box number 16. Right? We got a gamer. We got a gamer. '03-04 Sean Marion, game used and signed, Suns home jersey. LeBron James rookie year, Sean Marion, game used, signed, Suns home jersey. Nasty gamer. We're gonna keep that nice and folded. LeBron James, of course. Ooh, all kinds of color in this one. Oh, wow. 13-14, pristine 10, numbered to 99, Kyrie. Yeah, he does. From the hip. One of one, Larry Bird auto, majestic. That's two pretty sick cards out of the gate. Nine, 5, 10, Kobe Bryant, jersey auto to 99. This is it's pretty solid. 9, 5, 10 to 25, Kevin Durant. Three color to 25, Vince Carter, flawless patch auto. Red pouch number 1. Oh, that's absurd. Oh my. Numbered 5 of 5. Steph Curry, disgustingly nasty RPA. That is huge. That boy is on fire right now. Wow, look at that patch. Four of 5, Emerald Flawless, Kevin Durant. Just colors for days. 4 of 5. Wow. That was a disgusting case. Thanks, Big Bird.